Today on Southern Gardening, we are visiting Veteran Berries in Decatur, Mississippi, where elderberries are taking root and thriving. For the past 3 years, Dewayne Hamrick has been dedicated to growing native cultivars like Hamilton, Pocahontas, and several other selections of our American elderberry. These native elderberries are well suited for our southern climate. They thrive in full sun, appreciate consistent moisture, and grow especially well in Mississippi's rich loamy soils. Elderberry blooms are borne in large, flat-topped clusters, often measuring 6 to 10 inches across, and can easily stop you in your tracks with their delicate beauty and smell. They are magnets for wildlife. Their blooms attract pollinators, while the berries provide food for birds and, of course, for us. Once the blooms fade in early summer, they are followed by the development of clusters of small green berries that slowly ripen over several weeks. By mid to late summer, those clusters transform into heavy drooping bunches of deep purple, nearly black berries, signaling that harvest time has arrived. Whether you're looking to make syrup, jelly, tea, or even wine, elderberries are a great native plant to grow. Just remember, the berries need to be cooked before eating. Veterans Berries shows just how productive and sustainable elderberries can be here in the South. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.